How to block WhatsApp calls from specific contacts.
Hey there, WhatsApp users. Ever felt the need to block calls from specific contacts without blocking their messages? You're in the right place. Today, we'll guide you through the process. Let's dive in.
Why would you want to do this?
There could be many reasons. 1. You may want to avoid interruptions during work hours. 2. Some contacts may call frequently and unexpectedly. 3. You might want to only receive text messages and not calls from specific contacts. Whatever the reason, WhatsApp has got you covered.
How to block calls from specific contacts.
Follow these simple steps. 1. Open WhatsApp and head to the Chats tab. 2. Navigate to the specific contact you want to block calls from. 3. Click on the contact's name to open the contact profile. 4. Scroll down to the bottom and you will find the Block option. However, note that this will block both calls and messages. 5. To only block calls, you'll need a workaround. Go to your phone's main settings, >apps, WhatsApp, permissions, microphone, and disable the microphone permission for WhatsApp. This will prevent calls from coming through, but remember, you won't be able to send voice notes or make calls either until you re-enable it.
What happens after blocking?
The contact won't get any notification that you've blocked them. They can still send you messages, but calls will not go through. If you disabled microphone permissions, remember to turn it back on if you want to make a call or send voice notes. So there you have it. While WhatsApp doesn't offer a direct feature to block only calls from specific contacts, with the steps mentioned above, you can achieve a similar result. We hope this guide was helpful. Stay connected and chat safely.